Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to use deep learning for image classification. For that we will be requiring two toolboxes. One is the deep learning toolbox and other one is a pre-trained network like GoogleNet or AlexNet that can be used in deep learning. So let us first see that. So we can download these toolboxes from add-ons. So if deep learning toolbox is not already installed in your MATLAB, then you have to install that first. For that you can search deep learning here and it will show the toolbox of deep learning. You have to install this and then a pre-trained network like AlexNet or GoogleNet. We will be using GoogleNet for our example, so let us see that first. This is the GoogleNet toolbox for deep learning. So this has to be installed or some other network like AlexNet. This is the AlexNet network toolbox. So I have already installed these toolboxes, so I will not be requiring them to install again. Let us start our code. Let me create a script here and name it as deep.m. We will be using this script to write our code. Let us first clear the screen and variables, and we need to import the GoogleNet network to our workspace in a variable. Let me name the variable as net, and then we can import the GoogleNet network using the command GoogleNet. So this GoogleNet is a pre-trained network that has been trained for several images, and we can use this pre-trained network for image classification. So let us first check the input layer size of this network. So it is in the first layer, so that's why I have written for 1 here, and then the property input size. So if we run this code, then it will tell us the size of the input layer of GoogleNet network. Let us check that. Okay, this is the size of the input layer of the GoogleNet. So it is 224, 224, 3. As GoogleNet has been trained over colored images, so it is colored images are in RGB format, so it is 3 here. If it has been trained over some grayscale image, then it will be in only 2 dimensions. So here we have 224, 224, 3, where 3 represents RGB and 224 cross 224 is the pixel size. Then we can use some image to classify what is in that image using this GoogleNet network. For that, let me download a free cat image and put it in the same folder here. So figure_cat.png is the free image that I have downloaded, and I have put that image in the same folder in which we have put the script. Now we need to import that figure into our workspace. So we can use the imread function for that. Let me name the variable in which image will be stored as im, and then the function imread with the figure name. So figure name is figure_cat.png. So we have to write the full name with its extension here. So this command will import the figure_cat.png into a variable im that will be stored in the workspace, and we can check this image by using the function imshow. So let me run it and check the figure. So this is the image that we will be classifying. So we want to classify this image and the result should be cat. So this is a cat image. So let me close it and then go with the further code. So now we need to check the size of the image. What is the size of the image? So let me run it again. So here we can see that the size of the image is 640 cross 613 pixel and 3 for colored image. So we need to resize this image to match with the input layer size of the GoogleNet. So that can be done using the Google resize command. And let me store the resized image in some other variable as resize_im, and then we can use the resize command to resize the image, name of the image, and then the size in which we want to convert. So because the input layer size is 224 cross 224, we will be using the same here. So this command will resize our image of the cat, which is having the size of 640 cross 613 pixel to 224 cross 224 pixel, and then we can use this resized image for classification. The command for that is classify. Let me use a variable predict, and then the function classify, then the name of the network, and then the name of the figure. So here I have to put the name of the resized figure. Yeah, so this is the code which can be used to classify the image. So let us run it. So the code has predicted that the image is an Egyptian cat which has been classified using the GoogleNet network. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.